Welcome everybody. It is Bobby Two Pops Breaks. On Saturday, it is January the 9th. We are breaking bomb box full-size helmets. Not right now, Terry. We're gonna reline in just a second. We're actually about to open our first box here. This here is, again, Saturday, January the 9th. We are about to break bomb box full-size helmet. It's a one-box break. We randomed up our 32 remaining box numbers. We got number 30. We did random teams. On the left, teams customer has been randomized and alphabetized. We gave everybody a chance to trade. Hit a couple offers, but nothing went down. So here we go. Let's start off with a nice solid hit, guys. Bam! That is going to be the San Francisco spot, everybody. That is going to be Mr. Jerry Rice. Bam! Signed in the gold. Eclipse authentic. Not a bad first break of the night. Beckett sticker and card on it for you. Beautiful Jerry Rice for the San Fran spot. Well, bam, gonna be Mark's first hit here. Very nice hit, Mark. To Josh. Pull one of Mark's out. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6 times. Well, I got Steve and DMP are going to be the golden ticket qualifiers, 25 and 26. We're 13 boxes into our series of 44, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Bobby Two Pops Breaks.